millions of pieces of rare sea glass like sea marbles, stoppers, sea coins, figurines and sea pottery, rare pieces of crystal, even radioactive sea glass. There's red and orange too, and even sea beads, sea buttons, and sea dominoes. So let's go! Sea Glass Island can only be accessed by boat, and it's always more fun to hunt with friends, so we brought a few along. Hey, good morning everybody!
Morning, morning.
I even invited some of our favorite Facebook and YouTube subscribers as well. The moment you step onto the island, you'll understand exactly how it got its name. It's literally covered in sea glass of every shape, size, and color you can imagine, making Aruba one of the best beachcombing destinations in the entire world. And it's quite a big place, so there's plenty of room to spread out. This small outer island was originally used as a trash dump for the country of Aruba and for passing ships until the early 1900s. Organic waste decomposes, buoyant trash floats away, and iron rusts, leaving behind only glass, which after decades and decades of rolling around in the coral, sand, and wave, gets turned from sharp shards of glass into beautiful, stunning jewels. Oh, no way, Chris just found his first marble! The ocean took our trash and turned it into treasure. There's so much sea glass here, you can roll in it.
I don't know what this is, but it is my digging stick for right now.
And you can make a sea glass angel print on the ground too.
It's red, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's too colorful.
I don't know. I can't see it in the sun. I think it's
Yeah, it's red, look. Right here at the bottom.
I can see that.
Yeah.
It's a deep red.
It's 80 degrees and beautiful just about every day of the year in Aruba, and the tides only fluctuate a couple of feet. So there's plenty of time to stop for a refreshing swim in the crystal clear ocean. You just never know what you might find or where you might find it. The island is a great place to explore and treasure found anywhere there.
Man, look at that big cobalt blue.
Be sure to bring a hat, sunglasses, sunscreen, and lots of water to drink when you visit. With a little hard work and a tiny amount of luck, you are almost guaranteed to find rare pieces and have a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Oh, that's cool.
Sea glass hunting is addicting and it's hard to stop once you get going. But make sure to stay hydrated.
Oh, nice find,
She
son.
said it was a German.
That's a really cool marble.
It's pretty easy to be picky when there's this much glass to choose from hidden amongst the beach coral. There's endless places to look. And remember, anytime you go sea glass hunting, make sure to pick up trash along the way as well. Beachcombing is fun for all ages, and it's great exercise too. After a long day of hunting, it's always fun to grab some food with everyone and show off your favorite finds. Hey, if you've enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you'd like to visit Sea Glass Island yourself, I'd be happy to recommend a local guide. Just comment below. I'm Captain Kai the Sea Glass Guy, and this is the Bored Pirate.
Arr, mateys. Be sure you like and subscribe to the Bored Pirate, or else they'll see here and make you walk the plank. Yar.